Alright, what's up, YouTube? I got my old 5th generation 30 gigabyte video iPod. Here's the original battery that I've had for years. I've had this thing since like 9th grade in high school. And, well, I've been out of high school for 4 years. Just graduated college last week. Anyway, so we got the new battery in. It's simple as pulling this out, sliding a new one back in there, putting it in there, folding the case back over, and popping it back together, and turning it on. And taking it apart, I just used a small flathead, but someone gave me this battery, but if you order online, it usually comes with some plastic tools. Just be careful, otherwise you can use this too if you don't get any of the plastic tools. And simple as that. Boom, refreshed. Now I just gotta wait for the hard drive to ever fail, when it does eventually. Quick little video. See you.